मेरी खूबसूरती का राज जानना चाहते हैं सॉरी सॉरी, मस्ती बाद में। बिग बॉस है, सीरियस काम करो, सीरियस रहो यार। क्या क्या है, क्या है? क्या टाइम क्या हुआ? आफ्टरनून। गुड आफ्टरनून एवरीबॉडी, गुड आफ्टरनून। हाउ यू डूइंग? काफी टाइम बाद मिल रहा हूं मैं मीडिया वालों से। प्रणाम आपको। बहुत वेट तो नहीं करना पड़ा यार। मैं टाइम देख रहा था अपनी सेक्सी घड़ी में। सॉरी यार, सॉरी। वो सेक्सी लगने में थोड़ा टाइम लगता है यार। So, what is the order of business? Hello, hello everyone. Hello. I believe we're live also. We're live also. Live on Facebook. Hello world. Where's that Facebook camera? Facebook वाला कैमरा कहाँ है? कहाँ है? Hi everyone. What's up? आपको भी मेरा प्रणाम। हाँ जी. So, needless to say, it's a pleasure to be here, sir. Thank you for having me. Thank you for that wonderful introduction as well. Of course, I'm very, very, very excited to be the face of Nivea Men. I mean, it's an iconic brand. You know, I would not choose any other word other than iconic. You've been around for over 100 years. Been around ever since I was a kid. I've been using it ever since I was a kid. So it's a huge honor for me to be the brand ambassador. Thank you, sir.
You're most welcome.
Thank you for honoring me.
Welcome to the Nivea family. Yeah?
Thank you, sir. So, deodorant, face wash, shaving gel. If I smell good, it's because of Nivea. अगर मेरा चेहरा आपको खिला हुआ दिख रहा है, it's because of Nivea. अगर मेरी बियर्ड मैंने यहाँ से थोड़ा यहाँ शेविंग जेल यहाँ लगा के यहाँ नीट कर दिया, यहाँ नीट कर दिया, मैं इतना हॉट इसलिए लग रहा हूँ क्योंकि निविया। सर आपने भी निविया यूज किया ना?
100%.
देखो कैसे चेहरा चमक रहा है। आप भी निविया यूज करोगे, आपका भी चेहरा चमकेगा। यही तो बताने आया हूं मैं आपको। तो sir, the Duo is also being launched along with me today.
Yes,
Fantastic product.
absolutely.
We shot for it very recently
Yep.
in Istanbul. देखो बहुत बड़ा ब्रांड है, बहुत बड़ा एड बना है, बहुत बड़े डायरेक्टर के साथ, बहुत बड़ा बजट था, इसलिए हम गए थे टर्की।
So I think we're about to see
क्या?
something come out.
क्या टर्की है? Our entertainment media is very nutcut, very naughty, very naughty यार। हाँ जी।
So we're going to see the launch of
The
our new
Duo?
Duo.
I love the Duo. वीडियो देखा आपने? क्या क्या किया मैंने देखा आपने? अच्छा वो मैं नहीं था। लेकिन डियो नहीं, ड्यूओ। ड्यूओ मेरे हाथ में है। एंड एज यू कैन सी द निविया मेन ड्यूओ, इफ यू कैन सी इट केयरफुली, क्लोजली, it has two distinctive layers, freshness and freshness guard, which you have to shake to activate. This is a really amazing innovation done by Nivea, which is the freshness guard technology. So you get the fragrance and then you have something in it that preserves that fragrance throughout the day. See, I live in Bombay. We all live in Mumbai, and it's invariably hot, and we sweat, and many of us cannot boast of natural body odor sometimes. हो जाता है, सबको होता है, मुझे भी होता है. That's why I use the duo. And in order to activate this, you have to shake it. You have to shake it. So, in order to send this message out to our consumers, we made some really cool films with a really cool director, Mr. Shimit Amin. He made Chak De India. Do you remember his movies? He's not made one for a while, but he'll be back soon. Fantastic director. It was an awesome time, sir. Thank you for such a wonderful experience in the shooting of the ad, the making of the ad. So Shimit and I were collaborating for the first time. He really is a delight to work with. And we made some cute films. We have the digital films to show you. The main films will come later. But do you want to see them? Yeah, check them out. Check them out.
Alright.
Freshness. Yeah. Freshness guard. Here. How should I mix it? Aap
That's
select. Why don't you guys select? How should I mix it? Ma'am. Belly dance. Electric shock. Workout. Mind power. Ah.
तो आपका फेवरेट कौन सा है रणवीर?
Some really,
I think,
really interesting options, huh, sir?
I think we should start out with the mind power, right?
Mind power.
Mind power.
ओके
Public की क्या राय है?
हाँ पहली
dance.
Belly dance. मैडम सबसे लाउड चिल्लाया आपने. Belly dance करके दिखाओ.
So should we
आप
start
साथ
with
में करेंगी? हाँ? आते मुच्छड़.
You put all the Russians to
ओहो.
shame. All the Russians to shame. All the Russian belly dancers are to shame.
अच्छा.
What amazing
Belly dancer
अदाएं.
रशिया से होती है ये मुझे नहीं पता
वो
था.
सब जगह से होती है बट क्या
ओहो.
बात है?
क्या लटके?
अच्छा सर
क्या झटके? क्या ठुमके?
क्या अदाएं?
उफ.
सर आपका
कैटरीना
favorite-
कैफ को कंपटीशन दे सकता हूँ मैं? नहीं. हाँ? क्या लाइव? अच्छा. ठीक है.
ओह, तालियां हो जाए, तालियों के बगैर तो नहीं चलेगा भाई.
मैडम एक्चुअली म्यूजिक के बिना नहीं होगा.
म्यूजिक भी और तालियां भी.
Ranveer, just be careful.
अरे डीजे. हाँ सर.
Awesome, Ranveer. We love your energy and we love you.
क्या खुशबू है. क्या खुशबू है. क्या खुशबू है. ओह.
अच्छा और एक बाय डिमांड आपने बेली डांसिंग भी देखा. You saw the mind power. What else? और कौन
क्या
सा
कड़की
देखना
पब्लिक है. कोई भी पैसे नहीं फेंक रहा है देखो.
Electric shock, electric shock.
इलेक्ट्रिक शॉक.
अरे मेरा जैकेट क्यों चुरा रही है मैडम. आके पहनाइए.
इलेक्ट्रिक शॉक किसको
कपड़े
देखना है?
चुरा रही है मेरी.
Okay, so they want to see electric shock. So can we have the AV,
Madam,
please?
मैं जैकेट पहनता हूँ. आप इलेक्ट्रिक शॉक देखो. लाइव. हाँ. करंट कहाँ से मिलेगा आपसे? हाँ? अच्छा जरा टच तो करिए. अरे नहीं हुआ. मैडम दिल से करो ना. दिल से.
Or we can call the media person who was asking you a lot. The lady in the back who was asking you all the questions.
वो तो बेली डांस के लिए आने वाली थी. इतनी सिंपल सी बात है. आप हाथ में पकड़ के शेक कर सकते हैं लेकिन नहीं. अतरंगी तरीके. इलेक्ट्रिक शॉक लगवा लिया यार भाई ने. देखो एक और है. कोई ऑप्शन है?
और
ये वाला ऑप्शन मुझे बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं है. इलेक्ट्रिक शॉक वाला. कोई और दिखा दे यार. कोई और तरीका मना ले
fourth
यार.
option, the
The fourth
Far
one.
left
You
leg,
want to your
Zoom
energy.
TV की पार्टी में रणवीर सिंह not invited.
All right, Ranveer, we absolutely love your energy, and those were amazing videos. बहुत मजा आया.
Cool ना?
Absolute
शिविर
cool.
भाई का जवाब नहीं.
एकदम. और आपका भी, आपकी एनर्जी और enthusiasm का. So we're going to move on because थोड़ी गपशप भी हो जाए. हम
लेकिन
चाहते हैं.
सीन स्टीलर तो हमारे सैफ अली खान के डुप्लीकेट साहब थे. Oh my God, क्या परफॉर्मेंस दिया उन्होंने.
एकदम,
हाँ?
एकदम,
मेरे को
बिल्कुल.
एकदम साइड में खड़ा रह गया.
All right. So अब हम बुलाना
हाँ?
चाहेंगे.
है ना? चेहरा सैफ जैसा, हरकतें अनिल कपूर जैसी. Oh my God. Funny Khan, releasing today.
We can have you here all day, all night, and just
Even
look
I can,
at you.
मैडम
I
आप
love it.
वेलकम पर फेलकम. अच्छा ये देखा हो गया टाइम अब. चल वेलकम बेटा, वेलकम बेटा.
Anything you do, Ranveer, we love. So
So kind.
absolutely. पर हम चाहते हैं थोड़ी सी गपशप हो जाए.
मुझे बोला था विस्की और मूंगफली लेके आओगे. हाँ चाय पे चर्चा. वाह ये देखो तकिया सरकाई लो तकिया. जाड़ा लगे जाड़े में बलमा
हाय
प्यारा लगे.
हाय रणवीर. हाय
नमस्कार
नील.
सर. नमस्कार.
कैसे हैं आप?
टॉप ऑफ द वर्ल्ड.
जब मुझसे ये कहा गया कि रणवीर के इवेंट को मॉडरेट करना है,
नहीं नहीं रख दो यहाँ पे. हाँ
don't take
आपको
मेरे
कह रहा
दिमाग
था
से
रणवीर के इवेंट को मॉडरेट
मॉडरेट
करना
करना है, तो मेरे दिमाग से सिर्फ एक ही बात निकली कि तूफान को कौन मॉडरेट कर सकता है.
है. मॉडरेट कैसे होगा सर. मेरा इवेंट तो एक्सट्रीम होगा.
करेक्ट. सो देयरफॉर इट्स अ प्लेजर हैविंग बोथ ऑफ यू हियर.
अरे क्या बात है. इंग्लिश स्पीकिंग पब्लिक हंसी.
Let's get down to the business of the conference. Some interesting questions, a little bit of time we want to
Bilkul,
spend
sir.
with you
Bilkul.
and with Neil. So I'll start with Neil. Neil, it's been about 15 months since you took over as the CEO of Nivea India.
That's correct, yeah.
So in that 15 months, I think Nivea has moved from much bigger milestone after milestone. So tell us a little bit about that journey which you have had.
So Vinod, I think the journey has been much longer. As you know, we've been in India since 2005 when we took over the brand from JL Morrison. And there's been an amazing amount of work that's been done in the last 10 years. And even before I came, the brand was absolutely on a growth track. We've grown from the period 2005 to this year about 30 times, which is unusual in the Indian FMCG market. And the journey has been great simply because we've got, first of all, an amazing brand. We've got Nivea and Nivea Men, two of the biggest brands, skincare brands that the world has seen. So we start on a good wicket. We also, that journey is also supported by an amazing team. The amazing team at, we've got about 350 people that work at Nivea India. We have our own factory. So there's an entire team behind all the glitz and glamour that you see that work very hard. All our salespeople, all our marketeers, all our supply chain people that come out with these great products. Our R&D folks, our factory in Ahmedabad. And we've just gone from strength to strength. And this year, we are all set to hit 1,000 crores in India, which will grow. That means that we've grown about 30 times in the last 10 or 12 years. We are the number one in all-purpose creams. We're number two in body lotions, just behind the market leader. We're number one in shower gels. We're the number one in female deo. So we've achieved quite a bit. But listen, we've just touched the surface. And I really want to say that one of the things that journey is supported by the fact is that we as a company, we've been around for 100 years. And we are sure we want to make this brand ready for the next 100 years. And that's the journey we are ready. And that's where, we bring in somebody like Ranveer to take us on the journey towards the future.
थैंक यू सर. मैं यही सोच रहा था 30% ग्रोथ मेरे आने से पहले तो मेरी क्या जरूरत है.
To make
अच्छा
that 300%,
अगले 100 साल की प्लानिंग चल रही है.
अगले 100
देखो
साल की planning चल रही है.
ओहो.
अब आपके आने से 300% होगा ना.
अरे इंशाल्लाह.
So आप ये बताइए रणवीर जी, आप बैंड बाजा बारात 2010 में,
जी सर.
2018 में इंडिया के one of the biggest superstars.
थैंक यू सर.
So ये जर्नी भी तो बहुत मीटियोरिक रही है, और क्या ग्रोथ है उसमें, तो मतलब कि 3,000, 4,000, 5,000% की ग्रोथ है। उसके बारे में आपका क्या ख्याल है, और कैसी रही है जर्नी?
क्या बोलूं सर, गॉड इज काइंड. I have the blessings of everybody, the love of everyone. I couldn't have asked for more. It keeps motivating me to do more work, bettering myself, honing my craft, trying to be the best actor that I can possibly be, and keep entertaining the public, you know, as much as I can. I feel like that's my calling in life, to be an entertainer, to spread love, you know. So I love what I do, and I do my best at it. And I've been very blessed to have collaborated with some of the finest filmmakers, made some really memorable films, had memorable experiences, evolved over a period of time as an actor, as a person, and I feel very blessed today.
I mean, I think it's been God's gift as well as all your hard work, because I don't think there is anybody who works as hard as you do in the
Thank you, sir.
industry.
Thank you.
I must compliment you on that. So Neil, you know, I'm sure a lot of people here are wondering, Beiersdorf, which is the parent company of Nivea, it's a very German efficiency, calm, composed kind of company, and a brand like Nivea, and you have a storm called Ranveer. Where is the brand fit?
I think we should differentiate between the company and the brand. First of all, I think as many of you know, we come from a company called Beiersdorf. We're a German company that's owned by a family, and therefore we're always about not doing anything for tomorrow, but for the next 100 years. Okay, so we are a company that's always built on tradition, and therefore we are very firm and slow and calm about everything that we do. But our brand, Nivea Men, in India, our ambition is to be the emerging India's most loved skincare brand, right? Which means it's the brand of the youth, it's the brand of tomorrow. For the last 6 months, we've been searching and we've been researching who is the best face for a brand that stands for masculinity, that stands for modern India, that stands for caring, that stands for approachable. You know, we are a brand that's extremely approachable. These are brands that you will see and feel as if they are your own brothers and sisters. So we needed a face that was modern, that was creative, that was approachable, friendly, and still all the glitz and the masculinity behind it. We looked at a number of faces across the industry, and our consumers told us that this is the gentleman who should be the face of Nivea Men.
क्या बात है,
And
sir.
we
Thank
just
you.
found the perfect fit between our ambition and the qualities that Ranveer brings to the table.
क्या research है, आहा हा हा. Masculine. Hey, ये तो compliment है, sir. Thank you.
So Ranveer, what's your take on this? How do you think your persona will
मैं अपने
contribute?
बारे में कैसे बोलूं, sir?
Your
आप इनको
contribution-
पूछो. Ladies, क्या आपको masculine लगता हूं मैं? Yes. Approachable लगता हूं मैं आपको? भाई साहब, आप बताओ. हाँ? आपको अब मैं कहीं दिख गया आपको, आपको लगता है आप आके हाय हेलो कर सकते हो, जब भी पा सकते हो?
Zarur,
लगता
na?
है आपको?
Zarur.
हाँ.
Yeah.
हाँ, ठीक है. तो अप्रोचेबल भी हो गया. केयरिंग, हाँ मैं हूँ बड़ा केयरिंग. केयरिंग भी, डेयरिंग भी. आहा हा. चौथा वाला क्या था सर?
Modern.
मॉडर्न. हाँ,
that you
मैं
cannot say
बहुत ही
no.
मॉडर्न किस्म का आदमी हूँ. बहुत ही मॉडर्न किस्म का आदमी हूँ. आपकी रिसर्च बैंग ऑन है सर. मैं ही हूँ निविया मेन का फेस. अरे क्या बात है सर. ये निविया की टीम ही है.
So tell me, Ranveer, इससे पहले आपने, before signing on the brand, have you been a user of Nivea? What is your earliest recollection of Nivea?
My earliest recollection of Nivea is from my nani's house, actually. It was when I was a kid, and I used to go to my nani's house almost every day to play in the evenings. And she passed away recently, so it's very vivid. You know, I've been having a lot of memories of her, spending time with her in my childhood. She was the one who introduced me to Nivea, actually. So I remember that blue tin, which is so iconic. You know, used to be in her dresser and in her room, and it used to always lie out. Used to always lie there. And this is a testament to how iconic Nivea really is. You know, there are some brands over a period of time they become colloquial. You know, so that face cream. नानी ये नहीं बोलती थी face cream लगाओ. This is when Nivea लगा के बाहर जाना. So I used to go out to play every day. So before I used to come up and before sending me back down, I used to come up to say hi to her before going down to play. And before sending me down, she used to always put Nivea. The one dot here, here, here. She used to apply it on my face and then send me down with the idea that it'll protect my face when I'm playing in the sun and whatnot. So that is my earliest memory of Nivea. You know, for me, it stands for very closely associated with someone who I had a deep connection with and deeply love. So for me, it has a very, very special place. All throughout my childhood, my nanny used to apply it. So for me, it's I have a very a memory that goes back up to my childhood, and it's very, very special for me.
So have you been using the brand during your youth also, as in post?
I mean, when these good habits, I would say, that are inculcated to you in your childhood, you invariably continue them. So my skincare regime is very simple. I feel like I can put Nivea on my face and then forget about it, you know. It's just going to do, it has multiple benefits. So it's very simple. वो white वाला जो cool face, you know, I've always wondered, so वो face cream वो cool कैसे रहता है?
You must be keeping it in the fridge, mate.
No, there are a lot of people who actually put Nivea in the fridge. I know of this.
Absolutely, yeah.
But in spite of not being kept, if you just keep it in a cool, dry place, it actually remains cold. So I believe there are some properties.
I'm sure.
That for me is the kicker.
Yeah.
You know, ऐसे डालते हो ऐसे लगता है आहा fresh हो गए.
Part of the reason is in some of our products, we've got ingredients that actually evaporate when you put it on your skin. And the evaporation actually provides the cooling effect onto your skin sometimes. Yeah.
So sometimes, you know, we do films that require a lot of makeup, a lot of prosthetic work. Padmavat was one such film. So after you take off the, you know, war paint as they call it for actors, once you take off the makeup before sleeping, I always shower, and after a shower and before sleeping, I always put face cream. So it does its good work on me throughout the night.
Wonderful.
You know, Ranveer, you'll be surprised to know that in many parts of the world, we actually market the product, the blue tin, as mom's love inside a tin. Yeah? So maybe for you, we might say Dadima's love inside a tin.
Yeah, pretty much.
So Anil, you've obviously been interacting very closely with Ranveer, and especially during the Istanbul shoot for the film which took place. So what is your insight about this man behind the war paint?
Listen, I'm going to tell you a few real-life stories what happened in the last 2 weeks. You know, we were with Ranveer in Istanbul for the shoot. And you often hear from the press that, you know, movie stars are very picky about, you know, how they shoot, and they'll say, listen, this is how it's going to be. You know, we were pleasantly surprised with the kind of value add that Ranveer brought to the table. You know, just to give you a little example, you know, we had agreed with him that we're going to shoot until about 8 o'clock in the evening in Istanbul. Unfortunately, we had not finished all the shoots. You know, the films that you saw, we had not finished all the shoots. So we gave him the option to say, you know, Ranveer, we're really sorry. You know, we're done. We knew that we had given you time till 8. You know, it's up to you. He actually stayed on for an extra 4 hours, you know, charged us nothing. And he was as energetic as he was as 8 in the morning. I mean, that just tells you what a thorough professional this guy is. And the other thing is, a lot of the movies that you saw, a lot of the creativity did not come from the directors or, you know, what happened. This was absolutely this man bringing the creativity for us. So this is, you know, what...
क्या बात है सर, इसका क्रेडिट थोड़ी लूंगा मैं, ये तो मेरा धर्म है, जिम्मेदारी है मेरी, मैं तो बंसाली की ट्रेनिंग है सर, वहाँ 24 घंटे शूटिंग होती है.
No, but listen, I've interacted with a number of, we've interacted with a number of movie stars and celebrities. But listen, this person is absolutely special because I think he gives it, like he says, absolute hard work, absolute commitment, and more important than anything, he brings in so much of creativity to the shots. And I really wish everybody that we worked were as professional as this.
बस कर रुलाएगा पगले.
So Ranveer, कभी गुंडे बने आप, तो कभी रामलीला के राम, फिर किसी का दिल धड़काया, फिर किसी का गला काटा पेशवा बनकर, और फिर खिलजी बनकर सबको डराया. आगे क्या?
आगे पब्लिक बताएगी. आला रे आला सिम्बा आला. सर आप देखना दिसंबर में बम फटेगा, बम. विस्फोट होगा. क्या बताऊं sir, Simba is coming up. I now have a month's break because Rohit sir has gone to shoot Khatron Ke Khiladi. So I'm taking care of all my other responsibilities, but it's been really mind enhancing, soul enhancing experience. You know, I'm working with Rohit sir, who's the king of the genre that I absolutely love. I'm really, growing as an artist because it's not easy, acting, performing in mainstream films. You actually get to have to perform a kaleidoscope of rasas, as they say in the Nav rasas. So there's comedy, there's drama, there's action. There's so much to do. It is my biggest film. It's something I'm really, really excited about, and something that Rohit sir and I are going all guns blazing on. So I think it'll be a full-on family entertainer, which is the kind of films I want to be a part of going forward. And I'm really, really excited about it.
Wish you the best for it. Yeah.
Thank
May
you, sir.
it break all records as all your previous films have been doing. You know, I must share a story with you, Ranveer. Actually, it's very interesting because I knew you from so long back. So when your Band Baja Barat came out, the first thing I did was I was speaking to a number of my clients. Yeah, this boy is fantastic. We must, take him on for brand endorsement. So I remember one of my clients, I won't name, unfortunately can't name, who said, "Nahi yaar, isme dam nahi hai." So, and I was actually very surprised that he couldn't see the potential in you. And then Ram Leela happened, and he was bowled over, and he actually called me, and he said, "Vinod, I'm sorry. You were right, and it's my mistake that we didn't recognize the potential that this boy had." So I'm sure you must be meeting a lot of people who express that surprise over your success and constantly questioning or doubting. So how does that make you feel?
क्या बताऊं सर, मैं हीरा हूं, आप जौहरी हैं. बात मान लेनी चाहिए थी. उस टाइम पे मेरा प्राइस अलग था. है ना जय सर? Just, I mean, it's okay. I don't judge them. I don't grudge them. It's fine. You have to see something on the basis of which you make a big commitment, a big decision. But yes, I preserved my equity up until Ram Leela. I didn't make any rash or hasty decisions when it comes to associating with brands. So it was after Ram Leela that it all started. Ram Leela, you could say, was my breakthrough, a film, a part, a director who allowed me an opportunity to showcase my potential. And things have been different in the best way possible since then. And I'm glad that the going is good. Touch wood, kar le bhai. Kar le, kar le, kar le.
Okay, so Neil, apart from being the managing director of Nivea, you also have another side to you. So you're should I say an author? I don't know. What do you call a guy who writes a comic book? Is it an author or a creator?
Creator.
A creator. So creator Neil Saab, ye bataiye ki, it's a wonderful book that you have created, Building the Perfect Beast. It's a graphic novel. So if you were to cast Ranveer as a character in that, who would that be? We have the book here. We must.
Like ले आओ. आप बताओ sir. वो book आ जाएगी.
So yes.
किताब है इधर?
It'll come.
हाँ.
So thanks for asking, Vinod. So I think it's a graphic novel set inside a corporate. So there are lots of characters there inside the book. But I have to ask Ranveer first. There are two kinds of superheroes. Those that wear their underwear outside their trousers. So are you the underwear outside the trousers superhero or the other kind of superhero?
नहीं सर, मैं अंदर पहनता हूँ. रूपा की रूपा. ये आराम का मामला है.
Yeah, so that's
ये देखो.
we showed it to Ranveer earlier
This
today.
is Sir's creation. In addition to being a big boss, he also has this creative facet to his personality. You must look at the insides of this book, sir.
So this is getting launched by HarperCollins next month. It'll be globally launched, so you'll be able to see it in the bookshops shortly. But Ranveer, I hope you find yourself. I showed you already the character inside it. You'll get some.
Sir showed me one character that is actually based on me.
Yes.
I'll hold you.
मैं दिखाता हूँ. I think this is really, really amazing, sir. Really, I mean, unique, one of a. ये कौन है? ये दीदी कौन है?
Little girl. ये क्या पीछे.
हाँ जी. ये अरे
बोलेंगे कैसे फिर यार?
ये टोपी चश्मा और सिक्स पैक पाए हुए ये मैं हूँ. और काफी चेहरा काफी मिलता जुलता है. ये भी निविया लगाता है सर. है बड़ा हैंडसम सर. एक फोटो ले लो सर ये बुक के साथ. एक मिनट.
That was very kind.
A very novel creation. क्या इंग्लिश स्पीकिंग पब्लिक मेरा पन नहीं सुनाई दिया आपको? अरे हंसो. मैडम आपकी अमानत. थैंक यू.
So Ranveer, tomorrow is Friendship Day.
अच्छा.
So do you give a lot of thought to these internationally celebrated days? Do you care about them? Is it something that you look forward to or think about?
I don't think about it too much. कभी मूड आया तो पोस्ट कर दिया. हाल ही में फादर्स डे पे सब पोस्ट कर रहे थे तो मुझे भी डैड आई वाज मिसिंग माय फादर सो आई पुट वन इंस्टाग्राम पोस्ट. बट यूजुअली आई डोंट consider these days. You know, for me, every day is a day to express love to your friends. You know, kabhi Valentine's Day aa jata hai. I think every day is Valentine's Day. You must express your love to your loved one. जैसे वो हद कर दिया आपने में गोविंदा जी ने कहा ना. For me, every day is Valentine's Day. Every hour is Valentine's hour. Every minute is Valentine's minute. Every second is Valentine's second. और रानी मुखर्जी फ्लैट हो जाती है. तो ऐसी सोच होनी चाहिए ना. Every day is a day to express your love to your friends, to your lover, to your father, to your mother. Father's Day, Mother's Day, Teacher's Day. You know, to show reverence to your teacher. I feel like you have to live that every day. Why should there be one day that's designated? Every day is an opportunity to express your love, respect, gratitude, and reverence for people who are dear to you.
That's such a lovely sentiment, I'm sure. It's great. But Neil, you know, I was talking to you the other day and you were mentioning that every year some of you, your friends, college friends get together without fail in July, right?
Right.
And every year some 7-8 of you with families get together and spend. So what's your view on friendship and Friendship Day?
I think, first of all, I think over time, as you grow old, you tend to see that, you know, you tend to become much closer to one core group of friends that you have. You always get new friends every year, but there's always that one core group of friends, family that you always, you know, go back to. And for me, you know, friendship is all about sticking to that really core group of friends and deepening, having more deeper relationships with those friends. And the other thing is, with the current technology that's around, it's made it much more easier for you to keep in touch. You know, right now WhatsApp has just launched you know, an option where you can have all these people call you on video,
Yeah.
right? And also for a brand like Nivea, it's also important because we are also always seen as caring, right? And so for me, when at work every day, one of the core values that we always look about is care for our employees, and like a lot of care is also being friends with each other. So it's a nice feeling, right? So happy Friendship Day to everybody.
Happy Friendship Day to everybody.
Happy Friendship Day to everybody. एडवांस में.
So just a few quick rapid fires with you.
आखिर
Ranveer.
आपकी और मेरी दोस्ती हो ही जानी चाहिए. आप. जी हाँ आप. ऊट पटांग सवाल करते हैं हर रेड कार्पेट पे.
You're set, all freshened up, Nivea'd with shower gel, face cream, and smelling wonderful with the duo. So just as your director says, action, and your co-star comes close to you, you get a smell. How would you handle that? How would you tell that person that they've got bad body odor?
मतलब खुशबू नहीं बदबू.
Badboo.
अच्छा. ऐसा नहीं कि नहीं हुआ है मेरे साथ, हुआ है. अब वो कौन था या थी मैं बताऊंगा नहीं. लेकिन हुआ है. बैड. हुआ है. You know, I would take out my can of Nivea.
Yep, this one.
Yes.
Yep.
Sir, right now I'm using the other one.
But now onwards, this one, right?
Yeah. There is a can of Nivea in my bag that goes everywhere with me, with my most trusted buddy. Where's Kaushal? Kaushal hai? हाँ कौशल आओ यार शर्माओ मत लाओ मेरा Nivea ये बात. So Kaushal is with me at all times. He's on set with me, right by my side, aiding me in everything that I do. And I'm very thankful for his support. I love you, Kaushal. So I would take the can out just like that and say, "ये कभी try किया है आपने? Mind blowing." I would get them very excited about the can and hope that they would get the hint or by, you know, try and say, अच्छा बहुत mind blowing है, मैं भी try करता हूँ या करती हूँ. तो and they would apply it. I would hope that they would get the hint, and if not, then when they turn around, I'll just go. Psst.
So we had, before actually the media came here, we asked them what are the kind of questions they want to ask you. So we've curated a couple of them. So किसी ने पूछा है कि you are Rohit Shetty's hero and he has cast you as a cop, a character superstars like Ajay Devgan, Salman, Akshay have played. So obviously you must be thrilled. Will it be right to say that this is your biggest film?
Yeah, it is my first bona fide in and as. It is with a director who has such a great and vast and sparkling equity, and the way he's really not holding back this time. The way he's mounting the film, everything that he's pumping into it, it really is my biggest outing, and I'm doing my best to perform my level best in the film and keeping my fingers crossed. I'm excited about it, and I hope you all watch the film and like it and love it.
So what do you love about Rohit Shetty? What is
I love him. मेरा तो we've shot a month and बहुत गहरा रिश्ता हो गया है हमारा. He is an amazing man, an amazing leader. There's so much to learn from him about filmmaking, about you know, connecting with a mass audience. His energy, his passion is infectious. He's so immersed in the process. You know, you feel compelled as a part of his team. You feel compelled to do your best work, and you do it from your heart. And that's why he makes the kind of entertainers that he does, and that's why his films are so successful, is because he treats his people well, so much so that most of them have been working with him for over 10 years. And they all work from, you know, dil se. It's not, it's more than just a job. It's more than just calm. It's more than work. It's a true passion to create a legacy, something that each one of them can be proud of. And we're doing our best, and we hope to entertain the audience come December.
Thank you very much. That was, ladies and gentlemen, the inimitable Ranveer.
Well, thank you very much.
This is about a personal. Yeah, so this is not about his personal life that we are talking. I think that's something on the red carpet you should ask him whenever you get.
And
the
he won't
opportunity.
bite, right, Ranveer?
And he won't bite at that time. There are two Facebook Live questions. Facebook Live के लिए दो सवाल हैं. Any advice to the men who still think grooming is not important for them as it is for women?
Absolutely not, guys. This is my message to you, that to be well groomed is very important, because you will feel good in your own skin. When you feel good in your own skin, you'll feel confident. You'll have that level of self-confidence, and that is. It's more, I wouldn't say it's to impress anybody. For me, from my perspective, personally, I feel it's for yourself. You know, when you feel good in your own skin, when you carry that self-confidence, you know, that is the energy you exude. That is the vibration you exude. And life is a cycle, right? So all that energy will come back to you. So do it for yourself more than anything.
Say hi to all your Facebook fans and the world.
Hi, Zuckerberg. Kaisa yaar?
Okay, thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you.